Good morning, grade 8 students, and welcome to a new English lesson in Module 6. The title of our lesson is 6E Speak and Write, Part 1. You will need for this lesson to open your student book page 81, so kindly get well prepared and follow your teacher carefully. As for the learning objectives, by the end of this lesson, students will be able to identify the main idea of a given text accurately, respond to various questions after scanning the text thoroughly, supply or provide the necessary information to complete a fact file about a given event appropriately, act out a dialogue asking and answering questions related to a particular event, maintaining a good degree of fluency. To start our lesson, I would like to ask you the following questions. 1. Have you ever taken part in an event, celebration, or festival that regularly takes place in your country? 2. What is the name of the event, celebration, or festival? 3. When does it happen? 4. How long does it last? 5. What do people usually do or wear, etc. during such an event? 6. How do you feel about such an event? Here are some suggested answers. As for question number 1, have you ever taken part in an event, celebration, or festival that regularly takes place in your country? The answer is yes, I have, or no, I have not. Question 2, what is the name of the event? The suggested answer is Qatar National Sport Day. 3, when does it happen? The answer is it happens every second Tuesday of February of every year. 4. How long does it last? The answer is it lasts for 1 day. 5. What do people usually do, wear, etc. during such an event? The answer is people wear sports wear and they practice different types of sport activities. 6. How do people feel during such an event? The answer is people feel excited, energetic, etc. Now let's move to the pre-reading stage. You will need to open your student book page 81, read or skim the text, and look at the given picture, then discuss the following questions. 1. What type of text is it? 2. What is the main idea of the text? Take your time, answer the questions, then get back to your teacher to check your answers. Now it's time to check your answers. As for question 1, what type of text is it? Well, it's a descriptive article. As for question 2, what is the main idea of the text? The answer is it gives information about a particular event, which is called Red Nose Day. Now, let's learn some new words in the text. The first word is called abroad. Repeat after me, abroad. Look at the picture. What does it mean? Well done. It means in or to a foreign country. For example, to go or travel or live or study abroad. Another example, She worked abroad for a year. Another word, fundraising. Fundraising. What does it mean, my students? Look at the pictures. Well done. It means the activity of collecting money for a charity or organization, often by organizing social events or entertainments. For example, our school is planning a fundraising event to help the homeless. Also, we have the word donate. What does it mean, my students? Look at the picture. Well done. It means to give money, food or clothes, etc. to somebody or something. For example, he donated thousands of pounds to the poor and homeless. Also, we have the word variety. What does it mean, my students? Look at the picture. Well done. It means several different types of the same thing. For example, there is a wide variety of patterns to choose from. Finally, we have the expression for a good cause. What does it mean, my students? It means worth doing because it is helping other people. For example, oh, well, it's all for a good cause. Now let's move to the while reading stage. You're going to read the text carefully, then answer the following questions. Just as usual, read the questions from 1 to 5 carefully, then scan the text to find out the answers to the questions. Once you are done, you can get back to your teacher to check your answers. Now it's time to check your answers. So let's start with question 1. Why was the first Red Nose Day organized? Well done. It was organized to raise money for healthcare and education in UK and abroad. 2. Are there activities during Red Nose Day? Good job. Yes, there are. 3. What happened one year in London on Red Nose Day? Good job. People took part in a fun run where they raced in supermarket trolleys. 4. What do famous people agree to do in the special program on TV? Well done. They agree to do silly things to make everyone laugh. 5. What is the most important thing about this day? Good job. The money raised go to a variety of organizations that help people. Now, read the text again and decide if the following statements are true or false. 1. People go to work or school on Red Nose Day. 2. Comedians don't participate in the special program on TV. 3. Red Nose Day is a great fun for people of all ages. 4. The first Red Nose Day was in 1977. Now check your answers. 1. People go to work or school on Red Nose Day. Well done. True. 2. Comedians don't participate in the special program on TV. Good job, my students. False. Why? they do shows to raise money for charity. 3. Red Nose Day is a great fun for people of all ages. Well done. True. 4. The first Red Nose Day was in 1977. Good job. It's false. Why? Because the first Red Nose Day was in 1988. Now, scan the text for one more last time and complete the following fact file. Once you're done, you can check your answers with your teacher. Now it's time to check your answers. So let's complete the fact file about the Red Nose Day. Of course, it is in the UK. So let's start with the first blank. It started in, the place is UK, there 1988. How often or when? Every 2 years in spring. It lasts for a day. Let's move to the activities. What do people wear? A red plastic nose. What to do? Well, people tell jokes or funny things and ask people to donate money. What to look out for? Events near you. What to watch? A special TV program on TV. Let's move to the speaking section. Exercise B, student book page 81. Copy and complete the fact file from activity A with information about a celebration, festival, or event that takes place in your country. Then talk in pairs. Just as usual, take your time, then check your answers with your teacher. Well, here is a suggested answer. The event is Qatar National Sport Day. It started in Doha, Qatar in 2011. It happens on the second Tuesday of February every year, and it lasts for 1 day. On this day, people wear sportswear. They practice different types of sport activities, and they look out for nearby places, and they watch people practicing different types of sport activities. Now, you can ask and answer the questions. Here is a suggested answer. 1. When and where did it start? It started in 2011 in Qatar. 2. When does it take place? Well, it takes place every second Tuesday of February every year. 3. How long does it last for? Well, it lasts for 1 day. 4. What do people do, wear, watch, or eat, etc. on this day? Well, people practice different types of sports activities. They wear sportswear, etc. Finally, we have reached the closure stage, so kindly write 4 to 6 sentences about your favorite event to be discussed in the next part of this lesson next session. I hope you have enjoyed the lesson. Thank you for watching the video. Till we meet again. Goodbye.